Now let's discuss how we'll filter using two property values. Let's open the PowerShell console. Okay, the first one is the right PowerShell 7. Okay, the version is 7. Let's open that and see. Right click, run as admin. Okay, PowerShell 7.3.9. It is showing here a new PowerShell stable release version is available. Version 7.4.0. Okay, so I'll show you how we can download this. We'll see the version once again. Get a hyphen host 7.3.9. Okay, just open your browser and download PowerShell 7. Click on the first link, that is a Microsoft link. Come little down. Here you can see the latest version, right? 64 or 86, based on your requirement, you can download it. Just click on this, it will get downloaded. Okay, once it is downloaded, just a simple, it's just a setup file. You can install it. Let me minimize this. It's got downloaded. See, it's got downloaded. Yeah. Just minimize this. So after downloading, you can install this. Okay. So let me clear the screen. Okay. Before discussing the filtration on multiple property values, we'll just discuss the variable. We'll see what is variable. Okay. We'll take one example and see. Variable always start with dollar sign. Dollar. I'll just give one name, just ABC equal to get hyphen service. What it does, the get hyphen service output store into this variable. Okay. Dollar ABC. This is just a variable name. We'll enter this. Now it will not show the result. The result store into dollar ABC. Now, if we want to see that dollar ABC, see it is displayed. Now, no need to type get hyphen service. You can type this variable and get the result. Let's see one more example. Dollar XYZ equal to get hyphen service. Will take select object. Will take only first 5. The first 5 services store into this variable. So when we try with this variable, it will show us the result. Okay. See, this variable is temporary. Okay. If I close this console, it is not available. This is a temporary variable. We can store the variable permanently, which we discuss later. Okay. If you want, I'll just show you. We'll open the PowerShell. Dollar ABC. So it is not available, right? Dollar XYZ. These two not available. So that is temporary. Okay. We'll see that later, how we can store this permanently and make use of it when we write the script. Now we'll see the syntax for multiple property value filtration. For now, we'll use only one property value just to understand the syntax. Once we are clear with the syntax, we'll go for multiple property values. Okay. We'll just go through the syntax. Let me open the notepad. Get hyphen service pipe. This is where hyphen object. Then where hyphen object will use the alias, that is question mark. Then filter script. Okay, this is just a optional parameter. No need to use that. Then we'll start with the curly bracket. Okay. Then dollar underscore dot status equal equal an operator running. Then close the curly bracket. Script block. We call script block. This part we'll discuss that. Okay. We'll try the same thing. We'll run this. Here we are getting all the running services. Okay. So we'll discuss in detail. Get hyphen service. This this is a commandlet. We can use any commandlet. Then what we have, that is pipe. It is a pipeline to separate the commandlets. Okay. Then what we have, this is question mark. This is the alias for where hyphen object. Then we have this bracket, curly bracket starting and ending, right? This is script block. We call this as a script block. Then what we have, this is dollar underscore. We have discussed the variable, right? Which is starting from dollar, that is variable. So this is automatic variable. We have different type of variables. We'll discuss more on it in the coming sessions. What it does, it store the sending object one at a time. When next come, it will overwrite. Just show that. We run this. Okay. First, this object pass, then it will reach here. It will store here in the dollar underscore. Okay. Then when it is next object is coming, right? That time it will overwrite. Same process work for all the objects one by one. That is a purpose of dollar underscore. Then there is one dot, right? This dot is used to access the property of the object. Okay. It is just to access the property of the object. So we can just take the help option just to understand more on this. We'll go for get -help about variables. We'll do show window. Looks it is only variable. Get-cal could not find the variable and defines the session to download the element from the update help. Okay, we'll see that. We'll search automatic variable. Let's see whether we are getting or not. Get-help about underscore automatic Okay, let's take update help. Let's see. Okay. Meantime, we'll search this in the different version. We'll try this in the 7 version. Okay. Get-help. We'll first try only about get-help about. Yeah. This variables is available, right? Yeah, variable is available. Let's see that. Get-help about variable. Okay. Show window. Now we'll search for dollar underscore. Okay. We'll come little down. PowerShell has reserved variables such as here you can see, right? That contain alphanumeric and special characters. For more information, see about automatic variable. Okay. We have to use this. Okay. We'll use about automatic underscore variable. Then show window. See, when we explore, we'll get few more options. So whenever there is a requirement, you can take this help option. No need to remember everything. It is not possible as well to remember all the commandlets and the operators. We'll just find now dollar underscore. Okay. There are formats. Next, what is next? Okay. Here you can see, right? Same as dollar PS item. For dollar underscore, we can use even this as well. Okay. It's the same, but I'm more comfort with dollar underscore. As far as I remember, in the old PowerShell versions, it supported only the dollar PS items. Okay. With the new versions, dollar underscore is available. Okay. We'll have more discussion of variable alone in the later session. Okay. And now we'll back to the actual topic, that how to filter with multiple property values. Let's clear the screen. Get hyphen will take even log. Log name will take system. Then use pipe and where hyphen object. We'll start with script block. So we'll just the properties of get hyphen even log name system, and newest one. The newest we discussed, right, when we discuss the get hyphen even log. It is just like we are taking a select hyphen object first, right? The same thing work here. But if we try the newest option with get hyphen service or other commandlets, it won't work. It support only in get hyphen even log. Even here we can use the select hyphen object as well. Okay. Select hyphen object first one. This also work, but we'll use the newest one. We always try to simplify when work with the script. Okay. So what is the default properties? Index, time, entry type, source, instance ID, and the message. Now we'll do some filtration with multiple property values. Get hyphen, even log name, system, pipe, start script block. So before that, where hyphen object, start script block. Then dollar underscore, and we'll give the property name. We see in the time, right? What we'll do, we'll use the greater than operator here, greater than, or we can use greater than equal to. Okay. And then we'll use greater than here. Okay. We'll give one date and time. From that date and time, whatever logs generated in the system, that will get displayed. Okay. And we'll give less than also the time. Suppose in today's date, the logs generated from 10 a.m. that will give greater than 10 a.m. and before 4 p.m. So what will give less than 4 p.m. or less than equal to we can provide. Okay. Time, we already know the time format, right? I mean date and time format. We'll see that. Get a hyphen date. We'll get the format. Then this format we have to give. Okay. First date, then month. First three letter we can give as we discussed in the previous sessions. Then year, the time. If we are not giving any time, default it will take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We'll give time greater than we'll give a date 23 November 2023. Time will give 10 a.m. 10:00 colon minutes and second 00. And we need two properties, right? We'll use the AND operator to combine two property values. If you use AND, both conditions should be true. Okay. We have many operator. We will have a separate session for that. In coming sessions, we'll discuss more on it. And then one more property value, right? Same thing we can follow. Dollar underscore dot then time less than cell t 23 November 2023, and the time will take before 4 p.m. I'll give 16. Then we'll close the curly bracket. Okay. We need to give single quote here for the value. Then here as well. Enter. Okay. Something wrong. We are not getting the result. We'll troubleshoot that. Okay. The property value, the property we have taken is a time, right? So it is not showing an error, but there is no result. For that, okay, we'll take just one log and we'll go for the properties. Select star, or we can try FL star. See here, we are not seeing any time, right? But when we run this commandlet, we seen the property is time, but here it is not showing. When we look for all properties. So For that, we've seen, is there anything matching? Here we have, right, time generated. We'll try with time generated. If any property is not working, you can search for that, if anything matching. Time generated. Here also we'll give the same. Okay. This is again one used case. Okay. If you want to filter the event logs in that between the time limit, you can try this. No need to go for entire event log and see one by one. That is really not required. You can filter in this way. Just enter. See, now we are getting the result, right? Okay. Now what will do? Will sort this time. Okay, it is default as coming as sorted, but in case if it is not coming, you can use this sort. What we want to sort? Time generated. Time generated. We need the highest value first, right? We'll make descending. Okay. We'll see few more options. Get hyphen. Okay, we'll take one more time, this newest one. Here we have what else we have here, property, just to filter. We have the entry type, right? Whether it is information, error, or warning. We'll do some filtration using that. Using greater than and this using time generated and entry type. Get a hyphen, event log, log name, system, use pipe, where hyphen object, open script log, dollar underscore dot time generated will give greater than, or we can give greater than equal to anything you can give. Then we'll give date 23rd November 2023. We'll give time just 18. Or we'll give 16. We'll close the single quote. Then we'll use and. We'll use the same dollar underscore dot entry type warning. We need only warning. Okay. We'll close the bracket. Something wrong here. Time generated greater than and entry type warning. Okay. We need to give equal to, right? Operator we missed. So it is displaying the warnings, only 2 warnings after this time. Okay. Now we filtered with two properties, time generated and the entry type. Now we have the we'll try to filter with one more property. We'll filter one of the message as well. Okay. Same thing. Use and again. Okay. We are using one more new property value, right? Use and again. Dollar underscore dot message, property name message. Now we'll use like the operator. We need to use the star, right? We need to use a star just for just to see the matching one. Okay. Open the cart. Then we'll type DNS. If any messages has the DNS, it will display here. Okay. It will take first condition greater than this time. Then it will check second condition warning. In that it will filter DNS message. We'll see that. Okay. In this two message has a DNS. That's the reason it is listed both. You can see here DNS. In the second one also DNS should be there. You can filter with multiple property values. Okay. We'll take one more example. Get hyphen. Let's clear the screen. Get hyphen hotfix. What we are getting hotfix. Okay. Oh, get hyphen hotfix. Use pipe. Where hyphen object. Then open the script block. Dollar underscore dot. We want to see the batches which is installed after 15th. Okay. After 15th. We don't want this. Okay. If we have multiple patches, it is easy to filter. Okay. So install down. We'll see install down. We'll see greater than or equal to G. If we provide greater than, it will show after that, right? If we now will provide greater than equal to 15th. November 2023. We don't give the time. If we don't give the time, it will take default to 000. And what the next value will take? Next property dot. The description contains security update. Okay. We have update and security update, right? We want to see only security update. So we'll filter the description. Description equal to security update, close the single quote, close the bracket. So it is filtered only this one. It is very simple. Okay. Please practice yourself and get more comfort with it. We will discuss more in the coming sessions. Thank you.